So wire fraud, do we really need it? Do we have to fill this out? Is it required? Well, the answer is no. It's not a legal document. It's not a federal document. It's not a state law document. However, it could be a brokerage required document. So with EXP, it is required for all of our deals. We have to do the wire fraud advisory. And the reason why is because, listen, wire fraud and identity theft it's prevalent everywhere, right? We see that. What you don't want is that you as an agent get caught up in it because someone either hacked your email or they're disguising or masking your email address and it looked like you requested money and now they lost money and that deal terminated and now you're involved, right? So what this document does, it gives you that extra layer of protection stating that, listen, I would never ask you to wire any money, nor would EXP. So if you get a request from the brokerage or from myself, it's false, right? It's not us, it's fraud. Don't do it. So that gives you that protection. So in the event that there's ever a court case, a court hearing, you're protected with that document. So let's take a look at the document and see how to fill it out. So here it is, very, very basic. And this is the MAR form that we're working with, MAR form 519. And it just states that we will never ask you to wire money to us or to the brokerage. The consumer is going to date it and they're going to sign it. That is it. Very simple. So this literally takes, 2 seconds to fill out. I absolutely, encourage you, if your brokerage doesn't have this policy, I would add it to your policy as a business owner, as an agent, just to further protect yourself, okay? If you have any questions about wire fraud, comments, concerns, reach out to me, let me know. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Hope you found this helpful, and until next time.